This paper discussion is for the O-level students who are going to face the O-level exam in this year. You have only a few days for your exam. Students who are struggling to write answers for the second paper can watch this video, and I hope that this will be a great solace for all the students who face difficulties when writing answers for the second paper. In this paper discussion, I am teaching you the ways of writing answers and the tips that you can use when gaining high marks for your O-level English paper. Second paper can give you 60 marks. 60 marks is a big mark, so you all need to understand to manage time well. You have only 2 hours. Within 2 hours of time, you have to provide all the answers for the recommended questions. Writing answers for the second paper is a troublesome thing for many students because they don't exactly know the ways of providing answers. I try to give you this lesson free of charge as a support.